Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome again. Today we have another video on this hairstyle. So if it's your first time to cross by, thank you so much, you're welcome. My name is Glory Mtui, and please before you leave, hit the subscribe button below and turn on notification bell. Also don't forget to give this video thumb up and share, guys. So I started by dividing the lines. In this video I make only 4 lines in this hairstyle. So I divide line, and this is how my line looks like. I'll also use rubber band, and I only use one piece of this yarn. I even didn't finish this yarn, only this one piece. So I go ahead and start to divide a small section. Take your time when you're dividing this section, because it's all about this hairstyle, so you have to take your time, guys. So I divide a small section, and then I secure it with rubber band. I always said, if you feel your hair have enough oil, you don't need to add any excess hair on your rubber band. But if you feel like your hair is dry, you have to add some oil on your rubber band to avoid this rubber band to tag your hair. And also, when you add some oil on your rubber band, it will be easy for you to remove this rubber band when you take this hair down. So guys, I continue to divide the small section, and then I secure with rubber band. Here I have mirror front and back, because I want to make this section clean as much as possible. So I take my time and I divide small section, and then this is the last section, guys, and this is how the section looks like. And side to side, this is how it looks like. So each section I only use 2 pieces of yarn. Oh my goodness, 2 pieces of yarn. I don't know how to say. So, but I hope you understand. When you watch, you understand more. So this is how I hold, and then I start to grab. Every section I grab. When you're grabbing, no exactly amount of how many times you're supposed to grab. It depends on your size of your hair, but you have to make sure the size from one section to another must be neat. If you make it a little longer, you will see this hairstyle will not come out well. So after I use yarn to roll the first section, I go ahead and take another 2 pieces, which I roll the second section. Then I keep rolling till I feel like this side it's okay to join from one section to another, and then I tie it. And this is how I tie to make it easy later to open and continue. I just put 2 fingers there, and I cross the yarn middle, and then I pull out just a little. So here I make sure I secure the section number 2, and then I open the yarn, the place I secure, and then I go 2 more steps, and then I join section number 1 to section number 3. Then I continue grab. So I take section number 2, and you see I'll hold it to section number 4. So I pull down the yarn, and then I continue to add a little because I find that this is a little short, and then I grab over here. Then I keep going. When you're grabbing, guys, you have to be careful. Don't grab too much because you cause too much tension and you break your hair, and that's not what we want. This hairstyle is very good, but once you tie too much, I'm telling you, you'll hate this style. Because once you tie too much, it's very, very painful. Oh my god. So every time when I finish one side, I make sure I secure it well so that I can continue well with the next section without mix this yarn. Pull it down. If the size not enough, you can add to make things clean. Or if you feel it's long, you grab too long, you have to reduce just to make neat, and then attach to the next section. Up to this point, I didn't add any excess yarn. So now I'm going to add 2 more strands. So I hold it there, and then I continue grab just the same direction. And when you tie the same way. And when you feel like the size is enough, just secure it and move to another section. And I don't know how to call this hairstyle. Should I call it 2-strand flat twist or crisscross? Oh my goodness, I feel a little confused. Give me suggestion. How should I call this hairstyle, guys? Leave your comment in comment section. Tell me how you call this hairstyle. So here I continue going. Another side I also added 2 strands. So each side from the beginning to end, I only use 2 strands of yarn. And every time when I add yarn, I also add 2 strands. No more. But once you start with 3 strands, means every time when you add yarn, you have to add 3 strands just to make it equal. So then I keep going. And the most important here, you have to make sure you secure one side to avoid to confuse yourself. You can secure one side and then you'll see direction more well the way you are grabbing or the way you are crisscross one side to another, and then keep going. Add hair like this, grab like this way, just make sure you are going the same direction. When you feel like this size is enough to attach to the next side, then secure it. And continue going. This is how I use all the way, but hold middle hair and back is a little complicated. So guys, I decided to show like step by step, and I decided to show well how I hold my hair in back so that you can see well like what exactly do I do. And this is how I hold back hair, and then I continue grab. You can change the direction of your hand if you feel maybe pain or you feel tired. If you feel tired, you can take a little break and then keep going. Then this is how I grab back. I just pull up. Compare with the way I grab front is a little different because back is a little hard to go with the same direction like front. So this is how I go. till I feel the section is okay, and then I secure. One of the reasons I love to braid yarn, because when you're braiding yarn, you can keep this protective style for a couple days, and the good thing is when you braid yarn, you cannot feel smell. Yarn does not have smell completely compared with braiding hair. I don't know, but myself, once I braiding hair after 3 days, I will start to feel like the hair have very, I don't know, I cannot say bad smell, but I will start to feel like braiding hair have some smell, and that smell let me feel a little uncomfortable. But once I braid yarn, I can keep like 5 days, 6 days, depending on the style, because yarn always no bad smell. And another thing, yarn does not change color, and the most important, this is African thread method. So guys, I continue going. The more you watch, the more you'll understand more, because sometimes to explain exactly how to braid is a bit complicated. But once you watch more, you can understand more. You can know how I hold the hair, which direction do I go. Will be easy, guys. So yeah, keep watching. And another thing, don't forget to practice. Guys, practice is everything. The more you practice, the better and the perfect you get. Learning is not something for 1 day or 1 week. It's process. You can achieve that process after 1 month, after 2 months, depending on how you practice, how effort you put. Keep pushing yourself, and I'm telling you, nothing is impossible. Nothing impossible. Everything is possible. The most important, just to decide. So guys, this is the last section. So I added 2 strands of yarn, and then I grab it here. I make a little long tail, but if you want to make more long, that's okay, because for me I put short because I want to add some braiding hair, just to spice up a little this hairstyle. I don't want to make it so boring, but you can continue with the same way to make more long tail, or you can do a flat twist. The result both come out beautiful. So after I finish, I trim off all the excess yarn, and after that I grab it together here. Then I take elastic band and I secure it. Then next I take this Afro twist hair or Marley hair, just very few pieces. So I attach it over here, and then I twist, just a loose twist. I twist it till end, and then I take a rubber band and I secure it over here. Then I grab this hair on top. I use bobby pin to secure it well, to avoid the wind to blow my Marley hair. And I'm telling you, we are end of this hairstyle. This is the final result, guys. I hope you enjoy and you love this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, don't forget to share and leave your comments. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.